You know, you come up here as the divine feminine, and also the Queen of Wands has come out here. So this is strong fire energy. But I do feel that they are wanting to change. Here is their stubbornness that we were talking about. But I do feel that they want to change. They realize they have to change in order to have you. There's a lot of spiritual growth that's happening, and that's because you're the one. They see you as the one, you know. When they think about marriage, they picture it with you. They're stuck. They're stuck in their own torment of their own mind. But the Three of Pentacles, they're definitely reaching out. They're trying to figure out a way to reach out to you, what to say. I feel like you may have been seeing angel numbers or Googling angel numbers. I feel that you're probably seeing their car. There's infidelity wrapped around this. I'm also seeing the number 7 and the number 3. It's prevalent to either 37 or 73 or 377 773. It could be phone number or car plate, something that's connected to it. The Death, they want this totally and utterly new beginning with you. Let me just check my other tarot deck. The Star has come up here as well. So I feel like even though you know that this is a soulmate connection, you've actually starting to gain this level of self-confidence and self-worth that has you thinking, actually, I do deserve better. I do. I know I love this person, but I deserve better than to be treated like this. And that's very strong coming through. Look, the Queen of Wands again. So it's very, very strong fire. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Because you know you deserve a certain level of love. And I feel like you've gone on this healing journey. And I feel like you are not someone to be messed with. Really, you're not. And the things that you did were out of love for that person. They was not out of weakness. And they took that time and time again as a sign of weakness. That's a mistake on their behalf. That is truly a mistake. I feel that though they are doing the emotional work, they are doing the inner work they need to do in order to truly come forward for you in a healthy state. What I'm concerned about is that this person does have a tendency to run away from their own feelings. So I do feel like there's a lot of back and forth in this connection. And that if you do decide to have them back when they contact you, that again, they will try and stand in that kind of energy of going back and forth because they run away from their feelings. So in order to have this connection work and for them to totally take the leap of faith with you in this new beginning, which they will, I believe that there is some relationship counselling and some personal therapy that will be needed to help grow the relationship in a healthy aspect. Why am I hearing the number 10? They're telling me 10. Something about the number 10. But this is new doors are opening for you, new opportunities in this relationship. Beautiful things are coming your way.